Annex 4 International Distress Signal, presented by Chris Balakwit and Ivan Acosta. Visual distress signal. Red flare. Rocket or shell emitting red star fire at short interval. So, ang red flare is a bright red light signal to use at sea to show an emergency or request immediate help. Orange smoke, visible during daylight to signal distress. So, orange smoke is a daytime distress signal that release bright and orange smoke to make vessels location and indicate an emergency. Signal flags. Signal flags, the combination of flags and November over C Charlie, signifies distress. So a visual distress signal made by hoisting the flag for November over Charlie, indicating a vessel is in distress and needs immediate assistance. A square flag with a ball or anything resembling a ball above or below it. So, isasab ni siya ka visual distress signal where a square flag is displayed above or below it. It signals that a vessel is in distress or need immediate help. This is a visual sign which have included to any different kind of distress signals.
Good evening, sir. As I begin to introduce you the two types of distress signals, here is the sound distress signals and the radio and electronic distress signals. The first one I will introduce you is sound distress signals have two types. First is gun or explosive signals. A gun or explosive signals is a series of gun or explosive gun has sound at intervals of about 1 minute signal distress. Ang pasabot ana is if you hear sound, sir, nada na mo report dayon na possible nga distress na may itabo na signal bita, sir. Tapos i-locate doon ang location bukasa na dungog and any visible signs of distress. Ito, sir. The second type is continuous sounding of a fog signal. Continuous sound of a fog signal is blasting a ship's horn or bell, whistling continuously, especially in fog or low visibility. Like, sabot ana, sir, kay kanang direction na like fog di na makita, mobile din na sila, masig magkabanggaan bitaw ana para ma-aware ang uban ship ba or vessel. The second one is radio and electronic distress signals. Have four types. Upat ni siya kabuk. First one is mayday call. Mayday call has the spoken word mayday repeated 3 times of a marine VHF radio, usually in channel 16. Signals grave in imminent danger requiring immediate assistance. Like, if you hear a mayday, you should listen carefully. Okay. Usually, yun na siya, kanang important siya na matter. Tas, you should memorize the vessel's name, position, numbers, relaying the message of the call. Ito. Second one is SOS signal. SOS signal, Morse code distress signal. It's international and means save our souls or help. Sabat ana kay like kintahay if you seen or heard like lights, flag or kanang firecrackers ay kanang mo nang imposible ta sa taas sir. Na din na report time, location, and any relevant details sa authority. Next one is digital selective calling, DSC. Is a digital alert sent via radio, often automatically including the vessel's location and identity, used to initiate distress calls. Murag yapon ni siya, channel 16, the voice communication can be reduced. The fourth one is emergency position indicating radio beacon. EPIRB. Mana siyang EPIRB, sir. EPIRB is a device that transmits a distress signal including the position via satellite. Kibali, ang sa position mo kuha niya sa satellite automatic. So, if you find or see an active EPIRB floating or ashore, contact search and rescue or the Coast Guard with the beacon's location. Don't deactivate it unless instructed. That's all, sir. Thank you.